So we are going to take our nails from this to this. Trust the process as we go. Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Hardeep and today we are going to do hard gel nails. First, let's see what items we need. We need these two prep products, a nail file and these manicure tools to prep cuticles. I'll be using nail foams instead of nail tips. You will also need a buffer to remove the shine, cuticle softener and your hard gel brush. You can also use this thin brush or just opt for a special brush. I'll be using Gelish clear hard gel plus cuticle oil and lint-free cotton wipes. I keep these aside. You will also need your favorite gel polish and a no-wipe top coat. We need to prep our nails first. You may want to remove any old nail polish or whatever you have on your nails. I use a peel-off paste coat. That's why I'm peeling off my gel polish. I do my nails every week, so I use the peel-off method. Also, if you want to cut your nails, cut them first and then follow up with your cuticle softener and wait for 5 minutes. Then start pushing back your cuticles. I keep my pusher at an angle so I don't dig under the cuticle skin. I just gently scrape off the dead skin and that white skin that is around the cuticles, as you don't want any kind of dead skin or cells left around your cuticles, as this leads to nail enhancements, lifting. Keep cleaning your tool in between to see better what's going on in there. You can also use the sharp end of your cuticle pusher to clean around the nail areas, removing all the white skin to get clean nail corners where nail extensions mostly lift. Make sure to remove all the oily cuticle softener and then take your cuticle nipper and begin nipping away all the dead skin. Just be careful not to cut the living skin. You want to tilt your cuticle nipper inward so you don't cut the living skin. That will lead to infections and bleeding. Here is a helpful tip for you to have a more polished look, and also it will remove anything left even after removing cuticles. So you just use the corners of your nail file and gently smooth away all the white or gummy skin around your nails. I'm just being gentle and kind of smoothing and not really digging in or putting any pressure. This is optional. If you want to do it, just go ahead. Otherwise, just follow with other next steps. Now let's prep our nail plate for the gel. You want to buff from left to right, only in one direction. You don't want to go all in all directions. It will only make your nail plate smoother and you will not have anything left on your nail plate for the product to stick. You want to use a rough file to buff your nails to create a texture. I will be creating a video with a full guide on what numbers of grit to use for nail prep and for nail enhancement, so stay tuned. After removing the dust from your nail, cleanse with alcohol. I keep cleaning in between so I don't have anything left on my nail surface. Now take your nail foam. I'm adding this tab under to make it more stronger. Now by holding it with both your hands, wiggle it to give it a little shape, and then place your nail foam on your finger and make sure it is straight. When you are satisfied, just close the nail foam from the underside. You can also use nail file as a guide to make sure that your nail foam is straight. Now apply your pH bond first. pH bond and your nail primer are only active for 10 to 15 minutes. I would suggest, if you are not able to do your nails faster, prep your two fingers first. Apply pH bond and primer only on two fingers and do your nail extensions. This will make your nail extension last longer, because if we can't do our nails under 10 minutes, then the prep products don't help. As my nail foams look straight, I'm going to apply hard gel. First, we only need a little bit of the gel to use as a base coat and a slip layer. You kind of massage it into your nail plate, and you don't have to cure this first slip layer, as this will lead to the gel flowing easily. Now we are building our base. This will be a thin layer and will create our nail tip. Just be patient. This will not look as beautiful because we are using gel and it flows everywhere. So just be patient and keep playing with your gel, covering all the areas and connecting your natural nail with the new tip. Just keep rolling the brush. You can move your finger at different angles. The gel is self-leveling and you want to cure this first layer for 1 minute. Now take off your nail foams. As our base is ready, we can go ahead and start building our actual nail extension. I'm spreading gel to the whole nail tip and don't lift your brush up, as you don't want air bubbles in your extension. Maybe go round or just spread gel with side to side motions. Whatever works for you. Put a little pressure on your brush when working around the back to the cuticles. You can have the side view and see if it looks nice and you have a nice apex. Keep connecting and give your finger a gentle shake to let gravity work for you to create your apex. Now I'm doing my other nail. After the slip layer, I put a gel bead and start spreading it around my nail. At first, you may feel a little impatient and want to use a bigger gel bead, but remember, the huge ball of gel will only cause a mess. So just work with a small amount. You can do 3 layers of gel to build your extension. You can also use this nail art brush to fill around the areas where your bigger gel brush can't reach, and this will also help you control the flow of gel to the sides. It looks nice from the side, so I'm going to cure this now for 60 seconds. Now finish off with your other nails. Just keep in mind that you have to use pH bond and your nail primer before doing your other nails. I'm reminding you so you don't forget. Doing my thumb was my favorite as I get more space to do my nail, as my other nail beds are very small and thin, but I love to do my thumb extension as it gives me more space to work on. Just gently move back your gel near the cuticles without flooding it to the sides. And at last, you want to cleanse with the alcohol to remove the sticky layer of your hard gel. Now use your nail file and shape your nails. We are not using any drill in this video because hard gel is really easy to file and this files off quickly and you don't have to get tired of filing your gel extension like acrylic. Go from left to right to give your nail a slender shape from the sides, if you know what I mean. If you see any shiny bumps on your extensions, it means you have to file there too to make it smooth and balanced surface. Then you can use this side to make your nail shape more crisp. Filing like this smooths out the surface of your gel extension. It is super fun to do your own nails at home because you can have the type of nails that you want, as sometimes you don't get what you want from the salons. Also, you may want to subscribe to my channel as I will be creating more content like this to help you out to do your DIY nails and other beauty treatments at home. Then apply your gel polish. Here is a reminder to just do thin layers of gel polish so that it cures better. Doing thick layers will chip and lift from the sides. Feather out your polish brush and paint the whole nails. Cure each layer for 30 seconds. Then apply top coat, sealing all the edges and cure it for 60 seconds. Then use your sugar scrub to remove any dirt. Apply your hand lotion and finish with cuticle oil. Let me know if you have any ideas or if you want to see any DIY tutorial in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.